Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a closer look at the VR6 to see why it's been running so rough. As you can see, this is not supposed to be. The bearings for the camshaft came loose and the studs that were supposed to be holding it broke off. It appears that it only happened to cylinders 1 and 3, but I'm gonna have to tear the head apart, rebuild it, and go from there. And taking a closer look at the damage, it actually broke the camshaft, and this would explain why I was having misfiring issues. Stay tuned and we'll see what goes on next.